Hi and welcome with Money Moves with Matilda. I'm Matilda. I'm super excited to have you here. This channel is about helping beginners become confident content creators. Yeah, you heard me right. Confident creators and smart money makers. You heard me right. Smart. Whether you want to start creating content online or you are looking to manage and multiply your money, this is your new home. Therefore, you're welcome. So I'm going to be teaching you step by step how to create content from scratch using just your phone. And we're also going to be diving into financial tips now to help you grow and monetize your passion. I started this channel because I know what it feels like to want to do something you like, want to do something online, but you don't know how to start. And now I want to guide you so you don't feel alone or you don't have to figure it all alone, okay? So if this sounds like you, if you're ready to grow, learn and earn, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's make money moves together. This is Money Moves with Matilda. I'm so excited where we use our skills to secure the bag. Let's do this together. Come with me on this journey. Thank you so much. Share these videos to someone who is also interested in securing the bank. Share this to someone who also wants to create content and don't know how to start. Share this to someone who is shy, who does not know how to be confident on the camera. Let's do this together. You don't need any knowledge, you don't need any experience. There's no problem. I'm here to guide you. I'll hold your hands so we can walk you step by step. Okay? So remember to subscribe and like and share. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Oh.